Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello everyone, how are you? And Jumma Mubarak to all of you. And today is the Friday, and this day is very important for Muslim, and most important for those Muslim. They are poor and they do not have ability to doing Hajj. They do not have money to doing Hajj because the Friday is the day of Hajj for poor Muslims. So in my site, I try to doing something good in this day than the other days. So today is the sixth day of my today is the fifth day of my English speaking learning video making journey, and today I will talk about my family member, right? So my family is very important to me because my family loves me, my family supports me, my family helps me, and we're all in my family caring each other. We're all helping in our family to each other, right? If I say in my family are totally including me, we are seven members: my father, my mother, and we are five siblings. In my siblings, we are four brother including me, and we have only one sister, right? And our sister are little. They are, my sister is the last daughter and the last child from my parents. So he is so lovely, he is so beautiful, he is so cute, and we're all love to she. And in my sentence may I mistake something, that means I have to say, I should to say she, but I say he. This was my mistakes, so forgive my mistakes. Just take uh, some good from my sentence. Just try to take some good from my sentence and forgive my mistakes, because I am not any native language speaker, and I am not a public speaker. I am not a pro in English. That's why me I can mistakes, right? So, and I'm not special in mistakes. Everybody can make mistakes, so don't worry about your mistakes. Forgive your mistakes. Just try to improve yourself every day. So let's start with our main topic again. And my father is a farmer in a village. He lives my family without in my family without in my family lives in a village without two-person. One is me and one is my big brother. We are lives in Dhaka. My I am live in Mohakali in Dhaka, and my big brother lives in Gazipur, Dhaka, Bangladesh. And my hometown is Gaibanda, uh, Govindganj Upazila, and my family lives in our village. My father occupation is he is a farmer, and as well as my father is a muazzin, is a an imam, and a khatib, the masjid of our village, right? And my mother is a housewife. The interesting thing is that in my family everyone's name start from letter M, right? This is very interesting thing in my family. Like my father name is MD Mustafa. Mustafa start from the letter M. My mother name is MD Mehnaz M. My big brother name is MD Mashfur Islam. My name is MD Muhibur Rahman. You can call me Muhib. My two brothers name is MD Mainur Rahman, MD Mahmudul Hassan, and my sister name is MST Mahbuba Akhtar. So this is the most important thing, and this is so very interesting. And that's all about my family, and I do not want to make it more longer. I want to say you just one thing. and this thing I was say in my previous video also. And this thing is, do not focus on your mistakes, do not focus on your forgiveness, just try to improve yourself every day in just 1%. If you able to improve yourself just 1% in a day, that means after 1 year you will grow yourself 365%. Can you imagine? So do not worry about your mistakes, about your forgiveness, just try to improve yourself and do something good for yourself, for your family member, for your society, for your country. And that's all about my family. And so I hope may Allah give us a good family, and may Allah give all of them a long life. And please pray for me, I will pray always for you, and pray for my family. And see you in the next video, day 6 topic, inshallah. And take care yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.